Hi guys, welcome to Asapu Art. Today we'll be painting the Northern Lights, and for this I have used Camel Artist watercolor cakes. They are shades of 24 and I have few brushes with me which I have taken from a local stationery shop. This is a fine art brush and this is Artist Den brush, round brush, and we need watercolor sheets. This watercolor sheets from Brustro. They are 300 GSM cold pressed papers. So let's get started. Here I am using a wet on wet technique. So I've wet the paper on the top part for the sky, and then I'm adding the shades of green on the left hand side of the painting. On the right hand side I have used colors of the blue, and in the center again I am giving little strokes of blue and green. And that's how when the paper is wet I am still trying to merge my colors in small portions. If your paper has got dried up, you can again add little water to improve the shading process or the coloring process. Now in the lower portion again I have used the same technique and I am adding colors to make the water part. So here again you can see I was not satisfied with the shading, so again I add a little bit of water and adding the shades of green and blue and trying to merge them properly so they give a very natural look. And this is by mere practice that you improve on your color strokes, your waterwork. I have another painting of the Northern Lights in my YouTube channel. You can check out for that. That's a much easier version of the Northern Lights. I have given the link in the description below. You can check that as well. This is a different kind of a Northern Light. That's a different kind of a Northern Light which I have done. Now here I have done few water linings again to giving water strokes on the water, and there are pebbles on the side, rock pieces which is colored with brown. Now for the top part I've used my jelly roll pens to give a starry effect to the night part, making white dots randomly in the sky. I have used here is half of A4 size sheet cut into two parts. So here it's done. Hope you like today's tutorial. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do let me know what kind of artworks do you wish to see on my channel, and do share your artworks on Asapu Art. Thank you. See you next week. Bye.